AGS-TECH, your partner in precision manufacturing. You can find all sorts of tools online at www.agstech.net. AGS-TECH makes the tough tools that make everyday products. We're talking about jigs, fixtures, and work-holding tools. These are the unsung heroes of the manufacturing world. They're the behind-the-scenes workhorses that ensure accuracy and repeatability. At AGS-TECH, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. We know every project is unique, just like the skilled tradespeople who rely on our tools. That's why we offer both custom and off-the-shelf solutions. Whether you need a simple template jig or a complex multi-axis fixture, our team of experts will work with you every step of the way. We're proud to be a part of the manufacturing industry, and we're even prouder to provide the tools that help our customers build the future. Mastering accuracy, a deep dive into jigs. Let's talk about jigs. In the simplest terms, a jig guides a tool to the workpiece. Think of it like a stencil for your power tools. This ensures accuracy and repeatability, which is crucial in manufacturing. There are many different types of jigs out there. One common type is the template jig. This type of jig is ideal for simple drilling or cutting operations. Another popular option is the plate jig. Plate jigs are more versatile and can be used for a wider range of applications. No matter what type of jig you need, AGS-TECH has you covered. We can design and manufacture custom jigs to your exact specifications. Holding it together, the crucial role of fixtures. Now, let's move on to fixtures. While jigs guide tools, fixtures hold the workpiece securely in place. They're like the strong, silent partners to jigs, ensuring that everything stays put during the manufacturing process. Just like with jigs, there are many different types of fixtures. Turning fixtures, for instance, are used to hold workpieces on a lathe. Milling fixtures, on the other hand, are designed for use with milling machines. At AGS-TECH, we understand that the right fixture can make or break a project. That's why we offer a wide range of standard fixtures and can also custom design solutions to meet your specific requirements. Beyond jigs and fixtures, AGS-TECH's industrial machine tool prowess. But wait, there's more. AGS-TECH isn't just about jigs and fixtures. We also manufacture a wide range of industrial machine tools, including press tools, extrusion dies, and more. These tools are used in a variety of industries, from automotive to aerospace, and just like our jigs and fixtures, they're built to the highest standards of quality and precision. At AGS-TECH, we're committed to providing our customers with the best possible tools and service. We believe in excellency in manufacturing, and we're proud to be a part of this vital industry. Visit us today at www.agstech.net to learn more about our products and services.